Om Sri Saraswati Namaha. Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn our lesson 2. Topic is Math-Magic, SGP 2 and 3 from our book Stories Past and Present. An intelligent man thinks he knows everything. A wise man knows that there is still something to learn. In the last class, we have learned some collective phrases from the story. We know it very well that a group of camels is called a caravan or a train or a herd or a flock of birds. Flock of camels. One who takes care of sheep is called shepherd. We have read page number 10. Page number 11, SGP 1. Let's read page number 11, SGP 2. The man took him on his camel. He promised him a job with the king. On their way, they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. Their quarrel was on how to divide the camels among them. Their father had died, but he had a will before his death. According to his will, the eldest son would get half of the camel, the second son 1/3, and the third son 1/9. But they had 35 camels to divide among themselves. This was difficult, but really it was not difficult. We know it in the last class. By dividing the 35 chocolates. As per the father's will, the eldest son will get 17 half camels, the second son less than 12 camels, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. Let's do some comprehension question answers. What did the man promise the boy? The man promised the boy to give a job at the king's palace. What did they see on their way? On their way, they saw 3 persons with 35 camels. What was their father's wish? The father's wish was to give half of the whole camels to the eldest son, 1/3 to the second son, and 1/9 of the camels to the third son. Is it difficult? What was difficult? It is not difficult at all, because we have divided 35 chocolates among 3 by adding 1 chocolate. You know it very well in the last class. Turn the page and see page number 12, SGP 3. The man, after listening to them, said, "It is very easy." Saying this, he added the camel they were riding to the herd of 35. Now the total number of camels became 36. The eldest son, who was to get 17 half, got 18. He was happy. The second son got 12 camels. He was to get less than 12, so he was also happy. The youngest son, who was to get less than 4 camels, got 4. He was happy too. But the happiest man was the math man. By solving their problem, he himself got a camel. The 3 brothers had 35 camels, but they got 34, 18 plus 12 plus 4. All the brothers gained 1 each. The young mathman gained one, though he had no camel of his own. Think how. You know it very well, because you are very intelligent. This is the magic of knowing the mathematics. See, the spelling of mathematics. MATHEMATICS. And the two Arabs moved on to the king's palace for seeking a job. Let's do some question answers. Page number 13. Question number 1. It is very easy. What was very easy? This very easy was to distribute 35 camels among 3 brothers according to the will of their father. Number 2. What did the young Arab did to divide the camel? The young Arab aided the camel they were riding to divide the camels. Number 3. How many camels did each brother get? The eldest son got 18 camels, which was half of the total camels. The youngest son got 12, that was 1/3 of the total camels, and the youngest brother got 4, which was 1/9 of the total camels. Number 4. Why were they happy? They were happy because they got 1 camel they expected. 1 more camel they expected. Number 5. Who was the happiest of all? The persons present. Why? The young man who divided the camels was the happiest of all, the person present. It was so because he himself got 1 camel by dividing the camels among the brothers. Number 6. Every brother thought he had gained, but did they really gain or lose? Every brother thought he had gained, but really they did not gain. Out of the total camels, they lost 1. Number 7. Do you think the young man will get a job in the king's court? Yes, I think the young man will get a job in the king's court. Here are some MCQ questions for you. The young man counted the dash birds, counted the flying birds. Now see page number 15, vocabulary. Put the letters in right order and make meaningful words. Clues given to you. ANDS, the answer will be sand, SAND. LMECA, the answer will be camel, CAMEL. The opposite of loss is gain, GAIN. The subject of study, mathematics, MATHEMATICS, mathematics. A person whose job is to take care of sheep is shepherd, SHEPHERD. Last number, Arab, ARAB. Now see page number 16. Put the following sentences in right order to get the story. Put the serial numbers in the box given against each sentence. Once a young man was sitting on a sand hill will be number 1. Number 2 sentence is he was counting. See number 10. He was counting a large number of flying birds. Sentence number 2. Number 3 is a man sitting on a camel was passing by. Number 4 is number 3. He was surprised to see the boy good at counting. number 5. Number 2 will be number 5. The man took him on his camel and went away. Number 8 will be number 6. He promised him a job with the king. Number 7. On the way, they saw 3 men quarreling over dividing 35 camels among themselves. Number 5 will be number 8. The boy divided the camels among them. Number 9. The man got 34 camels and the boy got 1. Number 1 will be number 10. Everybody was happy. I hope you understand the lesson well. Write down all the question answers and try to remember. Thanks for watching the video.